Hi, today we want to design a shaft. In case if you don't know what a shaft is, it's basically a cylindrical part made of steel which you can mount gears, belt pulley, bearings or etc. on it. If you want to learn how to model it, stay with me. I'm Irfan and you're watching Prime Engineering channel. This is the drawing of our part. You can download this PDF completely free with the link in the description. Let's get to work. Start mechanical design, part design. You can change the name here if you want to. Okay, I select YZ plane, go to sketch, and with the profile tool, I start to draw half of the shaft section. If it snaps to the grid, you can turn the snap on or off. If you don't have this panel, just right-click on an empty area and select Sketch Tool. On the way down, make sure this circle appears, which means this point and that orange line are in the same level. One more time in here. Press Escape to exit Profile Tool. I select this line and that line and Y-axis by holding Ctrl. In the Constraint Definition window, I select Symmetry, and with the Constraint tool, I start to define the measurements. Double-click on it to change it. Okay, we are done here, and the whole sketch is green. I exit the sketch. When the sketch is selected, I select Shaft. Shaft is a useful tool which rotates any sketch around any axis you want. In Profile Selection, make sure your sketch is selected, and for the axis, right-click on Selection and choose Y-axis. In order to change your point of view, you can hold down the scroll button and move your mouse to pan. And by adding right click, you can rotate, and if you release right click and move your mouse, you can zoom in or out. Now we go for fillets and chamfers. I select edge fillet. Carefully select these lines. - 1.5 should be good. Select chamfer and the same thing again. Before we go for the key slot, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification button and leave me a comment. I select XY plane, then I select plane to create a new one. In this case, offset doesn't matter. Just make sure that the new plane is upper than the shaft surface. Select the new plane and go to Sketch. Under the rectangle, I select elongated hole. Make sure that the line you're drawing is aligned with the y-axis. This circle and that line should be tangent. I exit. I select Pocket Tool. In the type, I select up to plane. In limit, I choose XY plane. It means this pocket will go until XY plane, but I want it to be 13 millimeters above XY plane. So in the offset, I enter -13. So that's it, you're finished. If you have any questions or problems, leave me a comment. If you want a tutorial in other softwares, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.